Meka bajeje vielo, Toboli. Meka bajeje vielo, Toboli. Mega ble anyeji, Toboli. Mega nyo anyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamo, Mega favile zamenamo. Dale na hobela siyo na blo, de vielo, Toboli.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or will I say welcome to another cooking session with me. Today we are preparing delicious okra stew or okra soup. Yeah, I'm doing it the Cameroon and the Togolese way. It's mixed. I would say the Togolese way because I'm adding huckleberry. Yeah, okra is widely eaten in so many African countries and they have different ways of preparing it, but this is how I prepare mine, and trust me, this is the most delicious okra soup you've ever seen. Before we proceed, I will show you guys everything I bought. I bought red meat half kilo for 1,300, and I bought okra. Okra is in season, so I bought okra for 250 francs, and it was a lot. I already had some of the stuffs at home. Yeah, so I didn't buy a lot today in the market, and I bought this fish too for 1,500, and of course green pepper. Yeah, I bought green pepper for 100 francs, and I also bought some huckleberry, 100 francs as well. So right here we have boma or huckleberry. In Cameroon we call it anchia. And here we have our okra, looking so green and fresh. And yeah, I'm a pepper gang, as you all already know. We have the red pepper, we have the black and the white pepper. Yeah, I know it's a lot of pepper, but that's how I like it. We have the onion and the garlic and the ginger, and of course we have some salt and the Maggi cube. Because I like my okra slimy, we are going to add in some limestone. We have the almighty red oil, originally from Cameroon. This one came from Cameroon, it's just the best. And of course I have parboiled meat, I will show you guys later. But we have our fish right here. So we have our fish right here. We have two types of fishes. This is salmon, and this one the lady said is quite nice, but I don't know the name. It looks like tilapia, but it's not. In here we have some cow skin and some meat that I boiled before. So usually I'll just begin with peeling my ginger and the garlic. Yeah, and you know, ginger is very healthy, so I usually add a lot, but it all depends on you on how much ginger you can consume. But it's very good for the stomach, so you can always add a lot of ginger and garlic, and garlic is an antibiotic, you know. Yeah, so let's go ahead. And if you guys remember the market vlog I did, I'm still eating the onion I bought. You guys, it was a lot. This is still some of the onion till today. Like 2 weeks later, we still have it. Yeah. Yeah, so after 10 minutes of battling, we finally have a piece, and I added some red pepper though, that's why we have the red color. So usually I will boil the fish first. Yeah, I just want to clean it. Yeah, with some spices and take out the bones. Just wash it out the way I'm doing.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega glenhaji, Toboli. Nega nyuanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu, Mega favile zamenamu, Nadena hobe.
If there's one thing I like about Togo is the fact that I can just get smoked fish from the market. I don't have to smoke it myself. Yeah. And this salmon fish is very, very delicious. This one I'm not really sure. Somebody let me know if the fish is good though. This is my first time buying it. I took a very big risk to get this fish. I hope it's nice.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega glenhaji, Toboli. Nega nyuanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu, Mega favile zamenamu, Nadena hobe.
It's time to clean and cut our okra. I think the okra is a lot, but it's fine. Season in Togo, and we are enjoying a lot of okra. You guys, all this okra is 250 francs. 250, and it's a lot. There will be a time, let's say maybe towards December, when you will not, even with 1,000, you'll not be able to get it. I think this is the time for me to buy some fresh okra in the market and dry, because it's very sunny these days though. So even though there is rain, but it's very sunny. Yeah, so that when okra is not in season, I will not suffer. Because when this thing goes out of season, those people will be giving you 3-4 okra for 100 francs and you don't have anything to say. But the thing is, I don't really like dry okra. For some people they do, but I don't. Yeah.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega glenhaji, Toboli. Nega nyuanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu, Mega favile zamenamu, Nadena hobe la siona blo, devielo, Toboli. Mega favile.
So it's time to boil the okra. Because I like it slimy, I'm going to boil it separately with some limestone. But if you don't like it too slimy, you can go ahead and dump the okra into the soup the way it is. But I would prefer to boil it separately because I like it a little bit slimy. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and heat up the water with limestone, just the way you all are seeing. Yeah, and into the hot water we are going to add in the okra and boil it for about 5 to 6 minutes. It depends on you. And yeah.
Nega glenhaji, Toboli. Nega nyuanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu, Mega favile zamenamu, Nadena hobe la siona blo, devielo, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu, Mega favile zamenamu.
So far, this is what our protein is looking like with the red oil. I like it with a lot of red oil though. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and add in the okra.
Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Make up a jejevielo, Toboli. Nega glenhaji, Toboli. Nega nyuanyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamu, Mega favile zamenamu, Nadena hobe la siona blo, devielo, Toboli. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega bajeje vielo. Toboli. Mega bajeje vielo. Toboli. Mega ble anyeji. Toboli. Mega nyo anyeji. Toboli. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega favela zamenamo. Nade na hobela siona blo. De vielo. Toboli. Mega bajeje vielo. Toboli. Mega bajeje vielo. Toboli. Nega ble anyeji. Toboli. Nega nyo anyeji. Toboli. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega favela zamenamo. Nade na hobela siona blo. De vielo. Toboli. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega bajeje vielo.
So to take our okra to the next level, we are adding in some white pepper and black pepper. Yeah, that's enough. So I'll just go ahead and grind this.
Mega bajeje vielo. Mega bajeje vielo.
Perfect.
Nega ble anyeji. Nega nyo anyeji. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega favela zamenamo. Nade na hobela siona blo. De vielo. Mega favela zamenamo. Mega
Looking
favela
perfect
zamenamo.
already. Yeah, it's ready. I don't like it too thick, no, too watery. Just the way I like it. So this is what my okra is looking like. Let me know what you think. If you try my recipe, you see what the huckleberry does to the okra. It gives it this grainy look. I don't know how to explain, but it's so beautiful to look at. Yeah. So that's it. Done. So far our okra is ready. I'll just go ahead and try for maggi and salt. I think it's okay. Very delicious. I can feel the smoked fish, like the aroma from the smoked fish, the black pepper and the white pepper, and the green pepper as well, and of course the huckleberry. So it's just a blend of different smells, making it so appetizing. Yeah, so we are going to be serving this with akume, of course. Yeah, so let me go ahead and prepare akume for us. Awesome. Just perfect, just the way I like it. Yeah. Let me know what you think about my okra recipe. Personally, I love it. Peace out. As for our akume, it's very easy. We are going to add some water. Not a lot of water, because I don't want to make a very big batch of akume. So this is our corn powder right here. It's a blend of gari, cassava, dried cassava and corn. Yeah. The amount I'm making right here, I'm not making a lot, you know. So just add water in here and add it into the pot of boiling water. The process of making our akume. Oh my goodness. It's quite funny. I didn't know it was going to turn out this much. Can you all not see the effect of the cassava and the gari. It makes the food very, very stretchy. The akume, sorry, we are in Togo. This is not fufu. What they call fufu in Togo is the pounded yam, and this one is called akume. And in Cameroon we call it fufu. The English people call it fufu, and the French people call it couscous. And what they call here couscous is not the couscous we have in Cameroon. One day we are going to make couscous together. Yeah, definitely we are going to make couscous. Definitely. And I will show you guys what they call couscous in Togo. Yeah. Couscous with lots of vegetables. That can be nice. So after cooking this for a while, you just go ahead and cover this. I have a fufu master in the house, so he's going to love this. Me, I barely eat this though. I've been doing a lot of street food lately and I'm eating a lot outside, which is not good. And I barely eat at home. Yeah, because I don't want to gain a lot of weight. So my fufu master is going to enjoy a lot of this because I'm just going to eat a little. Yeah. Here we go. We are going to cover this one. Yeah, this is enough. So we are done. Done with our cooking. Do you want to see what the inside of my akume pot looks like? We have African squid. So this is the end result of our akume. For my akume and okra lovers, you all are invited to come have a bite with me because I'm about to eat right now and I can't wait to try it. The smell is amazing. I'm loving every bit of it, the smoked fish and everything. Let me know what you think about the video. Thank you for watching up to this point. You are the real MVP. Yeah, and until next time, I will have to say bye bye. Thank you guys for the massive support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you.